craving something sweet, but you're on a budget? Well, have I got the recipe for you? All my life I have loved baking, and today I am super excited to share with you my love of baking by showing you how to make 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies. These 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies are super yummy, easy to make, and affordable. Perfect for a college student on a budget. Now, to make these cookies, you'll need peanut butter, an egg, and sugar. You will also need a cookie sheet, a mixing bowl, and measuring cups. Before we start to make the cookie dough, we need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now that we have preheated the oven, we can start to make the cookie dough. Our first step is going to be measuring out all of our ingredients. So we will need 1 cup of our peanut butter. We will need 1 cup of sugar. And we will also need an egg. Now that our ingredients are measured out, it is time to add them to the bowl. Start with the peanut butter, then the sugar, and then the egg. Now that we have added the ingredients to the bowl, it is time to mix. You can either use an electric hand mixer or a mixing spoon. Either one is fine. Now that your dough is well combined, you're going to roll it into dough balls and place it onto a greased cookie sheet. Now that your cookie dough is on a baking sheet, you'll need to make a crisscross pattern on top of your cookie dough balls with a fork. This will help flatten them out. Your last step will be to sprinkle some sugar on top of your cookies. Your cookies are now ready to go into the oven. Bake them for 10 minutes. Depending on your oven strength, you might need to cook them longer. Now that I have shown you the necessary ingredients and steps to making these 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies, I hope that you will try them for yourselves and share with friends. Now, if you're allergic to peanuts, please do not try this for yourself, but instead share it with others.